HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and my friend Puma here came to see me. When did you come see me? Has it been
September?
September. Okay, so it's beginning of November, so it's like around 2 months ago, right? And you said you've been struggling with your weight. You used to smoke, and then you quit
5 years ago.
and you went from a 00
To a size 10.
to a size 10. Okay, so that's what happens when you quit smoking. Don't start smoking. So, but then you came here and got she ordered 4 meal kits instead of doing like the family bundle or the other bundles, because she works hard and works a lot and doesn't have a lot of time to cook. So we got her 4 meal kits, and she learned how to change it up and everything. And what happened?
I started dropping weight. So then I went ahead and ordered the big.
Oh yeah, that's right. You got the family bundle after that.
Yeah.
So for 1 month, she did 4 weeks of the meal kits, and then the next month she did the family bundle. Okay.
Right.
Yep.
And then I just started changing it up, and now I'm ready to change it up again. Now I know what I'm doing.
So how much are you down?
30 pounds.
And what size are you?
I'm the size 2, which a 2 is too big, so I'm going to say size 1.
So she's lost. So guys, it's just.
I wasn't.
And she said some other stuff that she doesn't want to say on camera. So we'll just
My
keep it.
digestive system is much better.
Yeah.
And I smell so much better.
Because you're eating clean. That's the thing. When you're eating, this is not a diet. This is a lifestyle. So when you eat clean, you do this forever, and it works. And your weight, and as long as you keep doing this, your weight is going to stay off. Like my weight never came back on. 10 years ago when I lost all my weight and got down to a size 2, I never gained the weight back, only when I got pregnant. So like this weight that's on me is from, well, this is not, but this is like losing a child weight. That's got to come off because I lost my pregnancy weight. But when you stick to it, you don't gain the weight. You just don't gain the weight back. You just keep on losing, or your body gets to a certain size and then it won't shrink anymore. So that's how it works. But
And I've been following you for like 5 years. No,
5 years. 5 years, and she just showed up 2 months
I
ago.
know.
That's everybody. People come in and that's what they say. I've been watching you for months or for a year or 2 years, and I just came in.
and it was really a God thing because I have no friends in common.
Oh wow!
And you came through my news feed.
Wow!
And it was like
yeah.
amazing. I mean, it was, ever since
We
then,
were meant to be.
so-
We were meant to be friends.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So come see us, guys. If you need any help, you have diabetes, you have high blood pressure, especially if you have severe obesity, guys. The one thing about these mixes that's amazing is the more you eat, the more you actually lose. So if you have a huge appetite like me, you can actually eat more and lose more weight. So if you know someone who's severely obese, the best gift you could ever give them is to bring them here. We're here in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and everything is Healthy Treats Market, okay? So the website is HealthyTreatsMarket.com. That's where you can find recipes. That's where you can order. That's where you can see all these testimonies. And then Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, everything is Healthy Treats Market, okay? We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't cheat during the holidays. We'll help you stay on track.